Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kubra KB-5300 5-in-1 Multifunction Grooming Kit. There's a lot of stuff in it and you can see most of them. You can see what the trimmer looks like. You can see some of the attachments as well. I can make out a precision trimmer and a nose hair trimmer. These are, I'm assuming, the mustache trimming, the mustache and the beard trimming attachments. We'll take a look at them. There are a total of 19 precision length settings, so 1 to 10 millimeters. And what else is there? Now we can see what the different components of the box are. There's a beard shaver, there's a precision shaver, there's a beard finishing attachment, and a body groomer over here as well, along with the nose and ear trimmers. Some extra information as well. You get 90 minutes of usage after 1.5 hours of charging, and yeah, charge time is 1.5 hours. Input power 5 volts and output is 5 watts. That's all the information that you have on the box itself. It's time to open it and see what's inside. This is a instructions on how to activate the travel lock. Press on off it to the travel lock. Well, I'll get to it in a while. So let's lift this tray, get rid of that. This particular pouch has cleaning fluid, combs, cleaning brush and a USB charging cable. I'm going to take them out. There's a cleaning fluid. This is a comb, like a normal comb, or like a barber's comb, and you also have a cleaning brush. Moving on, this is the charging cable. This is the port that goes inside the trimmer. We'll get to it in a minute. I'll leave this right over here. Some documentations. This is a 1-year warranty card, and this is the user manual. You should go through it at least once because you will get to learn about all the different attachments and all the different features of this particular grooming kit. So yes, do read it at least once. I'm going to leave this one here. Yeah. Let's take a look at the trimmer itself. This is, by the way, this is a holding tray that comes with the package. So it's not like you can throw it away. No, this is for a particular purpose, built for a particular purpose. So I'm going to keep this one to one side and look at the trimmer. This is what the trimmer looks like. It has a blue and black color scheme. This is the power button. There's a red LED blinker that says there's no charge here right now, but that's good, which means that the LED indicator is doing its job. And it has a very nice textured grip. This is a very nicely designed, very good looking trimmer. Very sleek, compact, light as well, not very heavy, on the lighter side. Not just that, it has a unique form factor as well. This is the detachable comb that comes with this. And there you go. This is a 1 to 10 millimeter detachable comb. I mean, this is adjustable comb. I'm going to keep this one over here. And yeah, the head obviously is detachable, but I'm going to find out. Not bad at all. So let's see what else is there in this particular tray. This is a nose and hair trimmer. Next we have a precision trimmer. There you go. This is the body trimmer. It comes with a roller as well. There are 2 blades, one on the top, one on the bottom. And this is the beard finishing attachment rather. This is also pretty sensitive. You can press them down and you'll see they're moving a bit. There you'll see they're like rollers on this as well, and if you press them down, they're like a bit springy as well. So yeah, this is what you'll find inside the box containing the Kubra KB-5300 5-in-1 Multifunction Grooming Kit. Thank you for watching.